Hey guys, this is an updated crystal or gemstone wrapping tutorial. This time I added a tassel at the bottom, and these were bigger than when I previously wrapped. They were all about 1.5 inches. I used this twine that I got from Target as my cord. I unraveled the metallic gold part. I used 4 cords to wrap it, 1 for the gathering knot, 4 for the tassel, and 1 to hang it. Adjust the length to whatever size you want. First, tape down one of the 20-inch cords. With another 20-inch cord, bring it under, then over the first cord. Make a single knot at its center. I brought the left cord over the right, pulled it through the loop created, and toward the right. Repeat this with 2 other 20-inch cords. Gather the cords and slide the 3 knots to the center of the first cord. Then make a double knot with the first cord. Bring the left cord over the right, pull it through the loop created and toward the right. Then bring the right cord over the left, pull it through the loop created and toward the left. Pair the cords from each knot. Leave a gap and make a double knot for each of the 4 pairs. Next, take 1 cord from one pair and 1 cord from another pair. Leave a gap and make a double knot. Repeat this with the other cords. Place it over the crystal or gemstone to help you figure out where you should make your next round of knots. String one of the 12-inch cords at the top and make an overhand knot. I wanted the tassel to be thicker, so I single knotted a 12-inch cord to each loop of the last round of knots. Next, group the cords. With the last 20-inch cord, make a gathering knot. To do this, form a U shape with the 20-inch cord and wrap it around all the cords. I wrap mine 8 times going down. Place the end through the loop created. Pull the top end so that the loop gets tucked under the wrap part. Cut the end and trim the tassel. And here's how they turn out.